So I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, a couple minutes walk from Piedmont Park. It's kind of like the Central Park of Atlanta, right next to the Beltline, which is a 22-mile strip where you can bike and walk. And from what I hear about this next restaurant, I'm gonna need to hit that. It's a husband and wife team. They're doing a mashup between Korean and Mexican, and they were the ones that actually helped start the entire food truck game here in Atlanta. And there's more story than that. This is Yumbii.
Oh man, this place is awesome.
There's like a lot of different Asian fusion, kind of bar food.
Korean fried cauliflower taco.
A kick in the face type of flavor that comes with a really, really talented chef.
But Chef Carson Young's true talent is his determination. You're the first hearing-impaired chef I've ever had on the show.
That's good.
But it has not stopped you 1%.
No.
It's like a superpower.
He just has not let the deafness keep him from what he's wanted to do.
Which was to literally hit the streets serving street food along with his wife, Katie.
He was like, I want to start the food truck movement in Atlanta.
And Carson had to work really hard to get street food laws passed before he could open the first truck.
Amazing.
I actually remember when they started their food truck and then was able to start their brick and mortar, being able to expand their culinary creations.
Bulgogi Cheesesteak.
The Philly cheesesteak has a spicy Asian topping.
You're like, okay, this is different, but it's something that you keep coming back for.
Philly cheesesteak, but with bulgogi beef.
Yes.
We'll make it a marinade, soy sauce, garlic,
Sesame oil.
green onions, sugar, water, pineapple sauce.
The enzymes inside of that are just awesome for marinating.
Add onions to the ribeye beef.
How long is this gonna marinate?
For 72 hours.
We're gonna make sriracha queso.
White American cheese,
Okay, half and half?
sriracha.
Melted.
And this is our Yumbii chili sauce. Gochujang chili paste, white vinegar, some sugar, sesame oil, and then we're gonna mix that all together.
All right, what are we doing?
The cucumber kimchi.
Kimchi is with cabbage typically, but we're gonna use cucumber in this one.
We're not big rule followers.
Didn't think so.
Vinegar, sauce,
The chili sauce that we made,
chili flakes.
a little more sugar. Onions and cucumbers together.
Pour out the mix.
How do you get Carson's attention?
Poke.
I can hear, and my wife still pokes me.
Well, that's selective hearing.
That is what that is.
A lot of ferment.
Ferment, how long?
24 hours.
Okay, so a day.
We're going to plate the bulgogi cheesesteak.
Sriracha queso.
Chopped green onions, chopped red onions.
Kimchi? What does this body language say to you?
You wanna eat another bite?
The meat is so tender. The cucumber kimchi is refreshing, just enough cheese sauce to where it's not heavy and weighted down. Packed with flavor. Delicious.
It's juicy, it's tender. The queso on the Philly is fantastic.
You get a perfect balance of sweet, spicy.
Dude, that's incredible. You come to Atlanta, you gotta hang out with some Atlanta royalty. The great Rutledge Wood, and then a Triple D OG. 2008 Marietta Diner, the Gus story. George, how old were you then?
Like 3 years old.
How many restaurants now?
7.
Underachiever.
My first time here. It's really cool. The different flavors together.
You're like on an adventure.
Yeah.
The Loaded Sesame Fries with the Korean barbecue chicken.
You gotta try the Loaded Sesame Fries. It's so good.
So what are we gonna cook next?
Our Loaded Sesame Fry with Korean barbecue chicken.
For the chicken,
The Yumbii chili sauce.
how long is the marinade?
24 hours.
At least 24 hours. One of the things about talking with you, Carson, it makes me listen better, and we need to make sure that we pay attention to what we're saying to one another.
Yes.
Good lesson. I hope my boys are watching.
Mine too.
Right? What do we do next?
The fry seasoning.
Kosher salt, white sugar.
Curry chili flakes.
This is our chipotle sour cream, lime juice, chipotles and adobo, salt and pepper. Whisk it together.
Final step.
Sesame vinegar for our salad mix.
French fries and a salad. You don't need to know sign language to know this one.
Soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, green chili flakes, sesame oil.
What do we got?
Green leaf lettuce, cilantro, scallion, some red onion, soy sesame vinaigrette. Toss this up.
And build the famous sesame fries. Drop the fries.
When those come out hot,
Sesame oil, fry seasoning,
Sugar, salt, crack.
Korean barbecue chicken,
The sriracha cheese sauce.
this is the healthy part.
Calorie reduction efforts right here.
chipotle sour cream,
Pickled jalapenos. We're dangerous around here with chili sauce.
Got some heat to it.
shredded cheese.
I might as well get it in there as fast as I can. It is a flavor bomb. Fries are super crispy. I really like the salad. It plays into it really well. I mean, there's just so much going on. You have to show ID to be able to ride this ride? That's ridiculous.
Loaded fries will be ready in 1 minute.
Break the fries down for me.
I love the jalapenos and the chicken. The fries themselves are also really great with the sriracha queso. They're a little bit spicy, but not too spicy.
It's too good.
Me like food.
Mexican corn.
Yumbii is our favorite place to go. Anybody in the Atlanta area needs to come and check it out.
Just when I think that I've seen it all, I get a chance to meet you two, and I think you're gonna be a gigantic inspiration for young chefs, anybody questioning whether or not they can do it. You two are a shining example.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you both. You ever see that movie or hear that song or read that book where the title didn't exactly match what you were gonna get? Well, I'm here in Gainesville, Florida. I'm about to check out this restaurant, but what the name is and what the menu says, they don't exactly match up. But I'm hungry, and I hear the place rocks. This is Bingo Deli.
Ravioli going out to table 3.
It is kind of odd to call it a deli. It's much more of an eclectic foodery.
A lot of parm on there.
It's fine dining kind of food, but not a fine dining kind of vibe.
Which makes sense, because chef and owner Will Thomas has worked in kitchens from grills to gourmet, and his background as a musician is keeping things chill.
B-I-N-G-O.
I mean, it just makes you smile.
The idea is like old school, classic gathering place that's been there for 80 years, you know. It's home cooking with some technique and super fresh, local ingredients. Spicy shrimp roll, table 2.
The shrimp roll is incredible. Super toasty, buttery bread. You get into the plump shrimp. It's so good.
We're making the pen de mai for the shrimp roll.
Oh, we're gonna make the bread.
Start with scraps from the last batch of bread, buttermilk, some water, high gluten flour, sugar, salt,
Dry active yeast.
and butter.
And how long is this gonna mix?
10 to 15 minutes. Then it's gonna proof for about 90 minutes. Cut out balls,
Just like we're working pizza dough.
roll it out.
In we go.
When it's proofed, we're gonna brush it with egg wash. We're gonna hit it with some turbinado sugar and kosher salt. Bake at 350 for 25 minutes.
Dig it.
So this is WT spice. That's my initials. Peppercorn, mustard seed, fennel seed, star anise, bay leaf.
Toast these up.
Now we're gonna make a brine for our shrimp. Some water, salt and sugar. Bring it to a simmer, cool it down overnight, strain it, pour it over the shrimp, and let that rest for about a half hour.
How do we cook it for service?
We're gonna poach it real slow in butter.
I dig it.
So we're making brine that we use to pickle vegetables. Rice wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, white vinegar, sugar, salt,
Chili flake, WT spice,
dissolve.
julienne carrots, and the sambal.
We want these things spicy. Smoked paprika. Strain our sweet brine into the carrots. Give this like an hour.
Over to the jalapenos
And then mash it down.
and let it sit for a couple days.
That's it. Paprika aioli. Eggs, Dijon mustard,
That sambal again. Salt,
lemon syrup,
simple syrup.
steeped with just whole lemon. Rice wine vinegar, smoked paprika. Slowly add the oil. We're gonna add some water, more canola oil until it thickens up.
Delicious. Nice little bit of heat in there. Let's build it, man.
Yep.
So the butter poached shrimp, paprika aioli,
Hot carrots, pickled jalapeno, chopping green onion.
cilantro. Gotta have a little celery in this. Killing me, Smalls.
There it is.
The bread is still warm. Really good shrimp. You would have a really good argument with somebody whether or not it was lobster. This is like you opened up with a soft jazz set. And then you played me a little Motley Crue because I got a jalapeno pop. And then you give me a little Skinnerd because I get a bunch of great shrimp. Bread that is almost too good to be made into a sandwich. Lights out. I mean, creativity 101.
Here's the spicy shrimp roll.
The shrimp is just cooked perfectly.
The bread holds up really good to the creaminess of the shrimp.
And then there's a zing at the end. You
Yeah.
get your mind blown here with the food, but you can also feel like you're sitting at home next to your neighbors.
Wear what you want.
Yeah.